Hello, this is Cody.
Yes, it is.
Hey, Cody, this is Detective Hansen. How are you?
Hey, man, how are you? I'm doing all right.
Good.
Let's.
So you had
All
some questions, huh?
right. Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, kind of a lot of stuff, but in generally, basically start out with the basics. And can I come pick up my van?
I can't release anything on that. I talked to the county attorney about it,
Okay.
and you'd need to talk to your probation officer, where they're still pending stuff. They won't let me talk anything, and you've got an attorney, so.
Yeah, but he is not involved in that, is what he claims.
Um, then it would have to be through the county attorney or your probation officer. It's
What do
something
you
that
mean probation
I can
officer?
do.
What would I do with him? Because he's been wanting
Well,
out
he
from
would
the
have to
get
make
go.
requests. He would make requests through the court. I'm not sure,
Yeah, but I
but
mean,
that's what I was told by the county attorney. So,
yeah, I understand the request to the court. I mean, I've been studying up on everything, and
uh-huh.
I'm sure with your qualifications that you're pretty aware of um, processes that might not have been done correctly. Let's say. Um, Besides that, I'm assuming you have an idea because I mean things are
I
pretty
don't.
evident.
It's up to the county attorney, Cody. I don't have anything.
Well, the challenges with that is the motion to get my stuff back, which I was about to do, on my own because other reasons.
Uh-huh.
But I've come to realize, which has actually been a fact the whole time, is that it would just cover the stuff that is claimed on the search warrant, that was taken. That does not nothing states my van or anything, so there's no record of that being taken. So there's a challenge there because it's being held clearly for 3 months,
Yeah, like I
but
say,
there's
Cody,
no record.
I can't talk anything about it. It's up to the county attorney. So
Yeah, but the attorney is not under control of it because nobody's under
they
control
are,
of it.
they are,
Now,
they are in
how did
control of
you
it
how did you
because
talk to my van?
when the case uh was turned over to us, all the stuff was turned to the county attorney, and they're the ones that make the decision on whether it's is to be held as evidence or until a case is adjudicated or what they want to do with it. That goes to the county attorney. That's out of my hands.
Yeah, but it has to be taken lawfully. It has to have paperwork. Like I have a search
Okay, Cody,
going.
you need to talk to them. Okay, that's all I can tell you.
Well, I have some other questions then.
I can't talk to you with your you've got counsel appointed to you,
No,
so I
my
can't
counsel's
talk to
not
you.
covering this, and my motions in court are not valid, obviously.
Cody, I can't. I'm sorry. I know you want to talk, but that's just how it is. I can't.
Well, then I got some other questions then, I guess.
I what question?
Well, what is you arrested me, right? Correct?
Uh-huh.
You're the one in the paperwork. So,
Mhm.
I was clearly under arrest according to the codes 77 of Utah. I was clearly under arrest at Yuba Lake, being transported and handcuffed, and then I was under arrest, taken in and held for 9-10 hours or so, and nowhere states that I was arrested then, but my van was transported and my dog was taken. So
Okay, it's the same stuff, Cody. I can't talk to you about it.
yeah, but I mean, it's
the attorney or the judge.
yeah, but that's not a case. There's no
It is.
case relating to that.
It is.
My van is
So
not taken.
Cody, that's all I can tell you. You're gonna need to talk to the county attorney or the judge.
Okay, so well, can I ask you something separate then, separate from my case? In
Okay.
general, a law question. I mean, to be handcuffed and transported.
Cody,
Is that an arrest?
that's part of being around your case. You're wanting to have questions
Is
answered
that an
pertaining
arrest?
that would be about your case.
No, I'm asking you
But
just in general.
I'm not gonna go into it, Cody.
I'm asking you
So
just in general. Is that an arrest?
I can't. I'm not gonna go into it because it's we're discussing things that might pertain to your case, and I can't do that.
No, I'm just asking in general, like like the case.
I get what you're trying to say, but it won't work.
I'm not saying anything. I'm asking you because it's clear on record. I'm just
Okay.
asking
You
you.
need to go talk to the county attorney. That's all I can tell you.
There's no record of
I
it.
mean, that's all I can tell you.
You're the one that there's only one that has
Okay.
the name.
The county attorney is the one that files the charges, so you will need to talk
Yeah, but
to
there's
them.
no charge on my van. There is no.
Okay.
The van is not on record
Listen,
and taken.
Cody,
I
Cody,
am listening.
you need to go talk to the county attorney.
I already talked to these people, and they say there's nothing to do with it. I talked to my probation guy, Mr. Randall, very, very awesome guy. He says the same thing. I mean, everybody is saying the same thing.
Yeah.
There is
That's all I can tell you. Once I turn my stuff to the county attorney, it goes to them, Cody. That's all I can tell you.
The judge and my case and everything, and the prosecutor, that is solely right now related.
Okay, if there's still an investigation going on, that's I said if there's still an investigation going on, if we're still investigating or the county attorney's still investigating,
well, I'm investigating now. Yeah, but that's a separate thing. I understand that, you know. It's just the other.
So that van could be a part of a crime, and
it could be. How was it taken?
It could be part of a crime. So that's what I'm telling you.
Yeah, but I mean, I was arrested according to the law, and
okay, I'm not going to get into that, Cody. All I'm going to tell you is that you need to talk to the county attorney if you want to discuss that kind of stuff.
Well,
contact your attorney and have your attorney talk to the county attorney.
Yeah, but
there's nothing I have to do with
the motions do not work. You know, your name is under the arrest. Your name is the one in the
right. I work under the county attorney who tells me what charges they're going to charge.
Yeah,
I make reference.
Part of a case, though. My van is not part of a case. That's the challenge.
How do you know that?
Because they told me.
Who told you?
I went to the clerk. I went to the judge. I talked to my attorney. I talked to Randy for 2 months.
Well, all I'm going to tell you, Cody, you need to talk.
I have all my paperwork. Okay. I have my sealed search warrants. I'm just asking. My van is only connected to you, to nobody else.
Okay. You need to talk to your attorney and have him go through the county attorney.
And the lawyer, it's not his case, and the prosecutor does not have my van. He states he has what he has on the list of the search warrant, which is just items like my wallet, this paper, pictures I have and stuff. Nobody is taking any claim for that because
your van is part of an investigation.
My van has a legal process it has to go through, and nobody is claiming my van but you. I mean, I've been through this 2 months. No, I understand what you're saying, but there's a problem.
Well, if you understand what I'm saying, that's how it's going to be.
So that's how
you go for your attorney, talk to the county attorney, and try and work that out.
Yeah, but the county attorney says he has nothing to do with my van. I got the motions right here to return my property. I have the return, I have the request, I have the denial. It has nothing to do with my van. This is what the attorney has to do with the whole list of stuff that my phones and everything, and
Hey, Cody, I'm gonna hang up because I'm gonna quit talking because we can't talk about this. So
well, I mean that's fine. I have a different process, but this is one of the steps I had to take. So
okay, if you need to talk to your attorney and then talk to the county attorney and find out where that's at.
I already talked to them. Okay, I have a next step. This is way bigger.
I'm just gonna tell you to have a good day, and if you have any questions, contact your attorney. Okay.
I already did that, and I'm just letting you know that I'm going.